Welcome you once again in this new session of English language, and today's topic is your second chapter, noun of your English language. So noun is the name of any persons, place, animals, or things. Noun are of types of noun. Common noun. These refer to the people or things that belong to the group or a class, are of the same kind, like apples are grown in Kashmir. A dentist treats the problem of the teeth. A monkey lives on trees. The word highlighted above refer to the things or people in general and not in a particular thing or a person. That is why these are known as a common noun. Proper noun means when we talk about a particular place, animal or thing, like Pinocchio, Carlo, Collodi, Gepetto, Florence, Taj Mahal, these. Then common noun, collective noun. Collective noun are the words which refer to the group or a collection of similar things, animal, birds, people, taken a whole, like a troop of monkeys, a bouquet of flowers, a fleet of cars. These are the collective noun. Then abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun are the name of an idea, experience, quality or state rather than something concrete, like beauty, then wisdom, intelligence, generosity, the fertility. Material nouns refer to the substance from which the things are made, like flour, sugar, milk, etc. Now let's start with this. See here, the word is proper noun and common noun are there. Mercedes-Benz, it's a car. Toothpaste, you can write it Colgate or Pepsodent, whatever you want to write. Chocolate, dairy milk. Harley Davidson is the motorcycle. Pepsi is the cold drink or soft drinks. Then mineral water, you can write Aquafina. Then television, LG television. Mobile phone, it's a Samsung. Nescafe, it's a hot drink or coffee. Then Renault is a pen. Author, you can write any author's name. You can write Premchand. Pencil, Nataraj. Shampoo, Sunsilk. Computer, Dell. Hospital, Ames. Lays, chips. School, Dr. I.D. Rastogi Academy. Then airlines, Indian Airlines. Sunita Williams, she is astronaut. Now, it's a very interesting thing is that it's a puzzle, crossword puzzles are there. You have to fill this in across. First one is regiment of soldier. It's a regiment of soldier, then rumpus of baboons, then galaxy of stars, then kaleidoscope, Kaleidoscope of butterflies, then range, then illusion, then bouquet, then grove of trees, then gang of robbers, then orchestra, then litter of puppies, then orchestra of musician, then 27th a pile of books, then flock of a bird, then battery of guns, and wad of notes. Now down, it's a tuft of grass, quiver, pack, then school, then chef, then lounge of lizards, kind of cattle, quarrel of sparrows, team, Valerie, bunch of keys, then gaggle of geese, then flotilla of boats, then trips, then herd of elements, then by of ladies. Now you see, first one will be neighborhood, then behavior. Third, King Solomon was known for his wisdom. Then Mr. Kohli was a national level player in his youngerhood. Then you must follow the advice. It is SE, it is CE. Slavery. Then seventh one is Dhwani is very creative. She used her imaginations. Her NATI imaginations and comes up with the innovative idea. 8, a lot of heat. And 10th, 9th is seen. Then 10th, Mother Teresa worked for the cause of humanity. Wrong choice. Then there was no vacancy for the post of copywriter at the advertising agency. 13th is Kavya lost her sanity. 14th, responsibility. 'Then necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the invention. Scripture reading. Then awareness. 18th is Hemant, judgment. Then 19th Papon is so friendly, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका, this will be perfection. And last one is speaking. Now we will move to countable and uncountable noun. The noun which we can count are known as a countable noun, and which we cannot count is an uncountable noun. So what we have to do here, just circle mango. We can count tree, we can count. Then fruits we can count. Wood. Okay. Now exercise E. This will be, I offered a glass of water, then to go to market and buy 2 loaves of bread, then honey drops. Manmi put 5 honey drops into the to take care into the cake batter. Then 4th one, the waiter brought 5 bowls of soup. Would you like to have a steaming tea? Then 6th one, how you brought my items or items. Then have you I will go out then there 8th one is, there are 2 strands of hair, 2 strands of hair. And 9th one is, you should have a glass of milk every day. Now here you can see branches, potatoes, this you have to fill. Very easy. Goose, geese, lorries, fishes, shelves, mosquitoes. Only E has been, it will be written here. Then mice, mice, mice. To complete this, then the 5th one is the rewrite these sentences by changing the nouns to the plural form. So here shopkeepers, bunches, then chases, the old men, then fifth one, there are there are ostriches in the farm. A cloud, the clouds are, it will be, the clouds are in a natural phenomena. And seventh one is, the child broke his teeth while playing with bats. Now exercise G, you have to write that king male, queen female, palace. Common subjects, common, then child, common, cook, common, apron, neuter, mother, female, tower, common, without any food or water. Then gender changes, tiger, tigress, buck, doe, actor, actress, ram, Sita, Rome, Sita, stallion, mayor, bachelor, spinster, fiancé, fiancée, widower, widow, colt, filly, hero, heroine, drone, queen, drake, duck, nephew, niece, steward, stewardess, abbot, abbess, emperor, empress, bridegroom, bride, build, bull, cow, host, hostess, ox, cow, lad, lass, cook, cock, hen, uncle, aunt, wizard, witch, stag, doe, father, mother, son, daughter, sorcerer, sorceress, master, mistress, gentleman, gentlewoman. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.